In this video, we explain why Cleanroom recovery should be an essential component of your cybersecurity strategy. Following a cyber attack, your system recovery environment is your lifeline. But what if your backups are already infected? Studies show that ransomware victims regularly suffer repeat attacks, with the same malware being responsible. Traditional recovery often triggers a reinfection loop, where dormant malware in your data reactivates the second you hit restore. This can expose all systems within your network to the threat of reinfection. This is where Cleanroom recovery changes the game. Cleanroom recovery takes place in a 100% isolated environment within the Cristie Recovery Hub or on an external server. In this secure environment, you can safely validate recovered systems and cleanse your data of malware, if needed, without ever exposing infected systems to your live network. It's not just infected backups that can derail disaster recovery. Misconfigured backups often lead to failed recoveries. Cristie Software addresses this with continuous recovery assurance, an automated process that performs full recovery and system boot validation after every backup. All validations run in the isolated Cleanroom recovery environment, with the option to auto-clear successful recoveries or retain them for further testing. Continuous recovery assurance works with backup software from Rubrik, Cohesity, Dell Technologies, and IBM. Don't just back up and hope. Perform system recovery with confidence. Contact the Cristie Software team to learn more about Cleanroom recovery and continuous recovery assurance.